In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check your Smart SIM number. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna cover two main ways in which you will be able to acquire and check your Smart SIM number after you purchase a SIM and make sure that it is properly registered. So first, when you acquire a SIM, the easiest way to check your SIM card number is on the receipt itself. Usually, right after you purchase the SIM, whoever sold you, either the provider, retailer at the store, they will note down the card number. If you still have the receipt, or whatever piece of paper or info came with the SIM card, double check it because usually the SIM card number is going to be there. And if it is, you don't have to take any additional steps on their website or by calling them. It is by far the simplest way of checking your number, and like I said, it should be on the physical receipt alongside your SIM card. Assuming you lost the Smart SIM number that was on the receipt, or you need another method because maybe you forgot, the next best option that you have is going to be available on their website. So if you want to follow along through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to smart.com.ph. When you arrive at this page, you can see all of the functionalities regarding the Smart SIM, and what we have to do to find out the phone number for the SIM card that you are using is to click this option, Contact Us, on the menu at the top of the screen. In here, you have plenty of articles and frequently asked questions that allow you to get answers for your Smart SIM questions. If you scroll down, you can find this section, Call Us. Now, this is going to be the primary way of acquiring your SIM card number if you lost the receipt and you have no other way to access this information. By calling them at any of these numbers according to your preferences, if you have a postpaid, prepaid, TNT, or something different like Infinity, Bro Enterprise, etc., they will be able to guide you through the process of acquiring your phone number. They will check it for you as long as you provide the necessary amount of contact information and guide you through the activation process afterwards. As long as you call them, give them the necessary information, and you state that you need to check your phone number, they will get back to you with the necessary information that you seek. Double check the receipt before doing this, and if you cannot find it there, you will be able to call them through one of these numbers to inquire about the Smart SIM number. I hope I was able to help you on how to check Smart SIM number. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.